Gardening is a key part of reconnecting with nature. It is also an pertinent aspect of one of the 10 principles of Ikigai, which originates again from Okinawa in Japan. Gardening makes me very happy. Seeing these plants nurture, bloom, the beautiful flowers, yellow, red, there's this color here, purple behind. It's just beautiful. And as you can see, we have a beautiful garden which gives joy. As I say, when you talk to plants, it increases your happiness index. I have had a fascination for plants since our first home, and we didn't have so many plants, but we probably had 10, 15. And watching them grow, the various flowers, the fruits, it just was a happy moment of the day. And I like to begin my day of post meditation, gardening, nurturing the plants, seeing how their health is. I think this is a beautiful and a happy moment in my day. I would urge everyone to reconnect with nature, to have a small garden at home, and it'll add a lot of beauty and serenity to your home. Second, try to reconnect with nature as often as we can. Going to the mountain, going for a walk, going to the beach, these things don't cost anything. And the best ideas come when we are in the outdoors and when we are part of nature. And that's a beautiful part about the planet we live in. There's so much to explore and so much to learn from. We would come back re-energized and reinvigorated. So, I love being part of nature, and I hope all of you do too.